The Easy Access sensor bracket comes in two different versions, facilitating installation of our most common sensors. So the way it works is you simply insert the lifting handle into the bracket holder, turn and lift to remove the sensor for service or maintenance. Replacing it is just the reverse. And the adjustable lifting handle is the key to the system, allowing the service technician to remain at grade when he services or maintains his sensors. The Easy Access mounting bracket easily installs in an existing sump attached to one of the bolts that already resides on the manway. And the sensor bracket is fully adjustable, both vertically and horizontally. The mounting bracket is constructed of stainless steel, therefore won't corrode in the sump. And that's our Easy Access sensor bracket. Simple, fast, and safe.